Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Audi A4. So from any screen, you've got nav and map over here. You've also got, if you go to menu, you can turn it to navigation somewhere. There you go, navigation, map. So navigation, but equally you just press nav there. So two presses is map, one press is navigation. Where do you want to go to? Where would you like to go to? So we select that, where would you like to go to? I'm going to try putting the postcode in. So P, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR, and now we need numbers. So we'll go across there, select numbers, click numbers, and it's PR5, 4. We need to go back to the letters, E, A, Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5, 4EA. So that's it here. If I just knock the thing back, I turned it then. But if I knock it back and then click select, start route guidance, start. Show me the fastest or 3 different routes. I'm going to select the first one. So that's it. Thanks for watching.